So we are a hands-on and interactive cooking class studio for kids and adults. We have everything pre-prepped for them. Of course, it's raw, and everything is mostly actually homemade. And they come in, cook about 4 to 5 courses. The kids love it. The adults love it. Lots of great reviews. So that's what we do here at Cooking with a Twist. When the city started shutting down, I immediately went into prayer mode. I was freaking out a little bit too, but it was just a sense of the unknown. And once we were actually closed, like absolutely no classes at all, we initially had to kind of fall back, email everyone that had scheduled classes for that for the next month, to let them know that we had been mandated to close, and we weren't sure when we were going to make those classes up. But once we reopened, we could only do it at half capacity. Full capacity for us is 24, and that's 4 people at a station, but we couldn't do that. And we're selling out at half capacity. I'm not going to say it hasn't been a challenge, because again, we're not financially where we would be had COVID not been here. I mean, we would definitely be in a better financial status right now. But because we plan, we were able to secure the small business loan. We have to make sure that we're able to stand on our own feet without using loan money, or, you know what I'm saying? Like where we were, Cooking with a Twist, our revenue taking care of our overhead, so without any outside help. Now it's just like we're just kind of rocking and rolling. Even though it was overwhelming, it all works out. It feels good to be back to work. When we were just sitting down doing nothing, that's when it was kind of scary, because you just didn't know. So I'm thankful. I am definitely thankful and grateful for the opportunity to still be open. I remember someone coming up to me saying, I've been to your classes like 3 times, and I've been to other classes with all of this state-of-the-art equipment, and it just wasn't the same. I just want to create an atmosphere where people can come in and have fun, cook, have fun doing it. And of course, we don't need all of the extravagant things. One day we'll get there, but we're doing good right now. This is my baby. And we have been open since 2015, and we hope to stay open for years to come, and hopefully people see the vision and want to franchise with us and open up in other locations, other cities, other states. We're definitely looking forward to that. So I'm grateful that we're still here, and we're still operating, and we're still providing a great service for people who just want to get out of the house and have a good time.